I just got into a car accident and I'm still here at the scene of the accident. Should I call the police?
Of course. There are a lot of advantages to having the police come because the police are good at documenting things. They're not as good as they should be, but they're better than nothing. Um, you know, you want to prove the accident happened. You want to prove the other car was involved, what happened, who the players are. And if the person is admitting that it's their fault, you want somebody other than you to hear it. Because I can promise you that by the time that person speaks with their insurance company, they won't be saying it's their fault anymore. I've had all kinds of bizarre cases where people have, I've even had cases where people told the police officer they ran the red light and then turned around and denied it. But at least I had it in the police report that they said they ran the red light. I've had people deny being in accidents. I've had people deny that the cars were damaged. I've had people lie in every conceivable way. And so it's good if there's a police report. Now, if the police come and you have passengers, it is very important that you make sure that the police officer gets the name of every single one of your passengers. Because another issue we run into all the time is people saying that people were not in the car who were in the car. I had one case. I'll always remember it occurred, actually the accident occurred in Connecticut. People were coming back from Foxwoods in the middle of the night. And they were in a car accident, and it was a van full of people. I think there were 8 people in this accident. And the driver of the car said that there were no passengers. And in fact, the police report was silent on the subject of passengers. There's actually a place to put the number of people in the car, and the officer left it blank. But fortunately, the police officer called an ambulance. And although none of my people got in the ambulance, every single one of them was checked out by the ambulance, and every single one of them had to sign, a release form saying that they declined to be taken by the ambulance to the hospital. So again, I have a person saying that I have a driver, an at-fault driver saying I've got one person in my van, when in fact I have 8, and I can prove it. And in fact, I did prove it, and the insurance company did pay for all 8. And so that was a good thing that happened, in this case, indirectly, because the police were called. The police officer proved to be worthless, but he called an ambulance, and the ambulance gave me my documentation. But this is a problem that we see constantly, of people alleging jump-in when the people aren't jump-ins at all. In fact, what was really cool about that particular case is, as I say, it's in Connecticut in the middle of the night. My people did not come flying down from Lowell to jump into this accident. So by all means, have the police come, and hopefully the police will help to document things. But you should be documenting things too, and I believe I have another video on that subject.